A large majority of countries has witnessed nationwide close down of schools, resulting in alternative timings being identified for assessments at different levels. The closure of schools and the subsequent postponement of examination is now an international reality. Cambridge Assessment International Education is responsible for the conduct of O-level examinations in over 50 countries, while AS and A-levels are taken in over 130 countries. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, most of these countries have taken the decision to close schools, resulting in loss of school days, and this in turn has implications for assessment and examinations. On the 3rd March of this year, Cambridge has informed of its decision not to hold its international examinations in May-June 2020 series in any country. We're given to understand that Cambridge is not yet in a position to receive entries of October-November 2020 exams, as in an update of 20th April 2020, Cambridge has stated that it will confirm the dates when school candidates can be entered for the November 2020 series as soon as possible. Mr. Speaker, sir, as you are aware, schools will resume on the 3rd August 2020, and there will be need to make up for the lost days due to the confinement for students to catch up with their studies. Also, students will be required to adequately complete the syllabus for the different subjects to be taken at SC and HSC levels. In view of the above, it should be ensured that sufficient time and space are provided for students to develop their preparedness and to complete their syllabi such that they may take the international examinations in the best possible conditions. The school calendar, as well as the assessment calendar, will accordingly have to be adjusted. That is, it will be from the period August 2020 up to February-March 2021. In this context, discussions are already ongoing with Cambridge Assessment International Education regarding the rescheduling of SCHS examinations. Such examinations will have to be taken next year for the 2020 SC-HSC cohort of students after the end of the newly adjusted calendar.